Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write here on the screen the fairbinaryoptions.com. And what we are looking for, not what we are looking for, what we are doing here is trading the US dollar Swiss franc, or making a trading plan for the US dollar Swiss franc, as I would say it is heading for closing the gap. What gap? Well, the gap. And the gap basically that was opened last Monday. So last Monday market opened with the gap all the way towards here. Now, whenever you trade a gap, you may consider them, or at least the Japanese style trading analysis, they consider them as being support and resistance, or if you want, windows. No, that makes this area between 100.17, so parity. I would like to put a line on the parity as well because it is extremely important. So this area here to be crucial for the move forward, both in support and resistance. So the area between 100.55 and 100.18, I would say, is going to be not only revisited, but is going to be tested. Now, the spike higher, we had the spike higher here, quickly followed by a retracement. So in these two cases, I would say that we have the end of an impulsive move to be done here at the top, and then a move, not with this one, sorry, here at the top, and then a move to the downside, and the move to the downside, here at the top, the move to the downside, and then a retracement into 61.8 and so forth. We need to see what kind of a retracement level we have there, and therefore we need to take a Fibonacci retracement, because it looks like a flat. So the pattern here looks to be a flat. What kind of a flat? So here, like this, as you can see, it is more than 61.8 retracement, but less than 80%. In this case, we are looking for a flat with a weak B wave, and this is being called, or the possibility for this to be, is a flat with a B failure. Now, a flat with a B failure implies that market should go and retrace this one completely. Now, the other possibility is that we have a flat with a double failure. What does it mean, a double failure? It means that you have this from here to be wave A to the downside, the one that is not visible here, so this to be wave A. Like this, then to have the B wave all the way to the upside here into the 61.8, and then we need an impulsive move, and the impulsive move in a flat with a weak B wave is mandatory to take the lows in previous wave A, and there you go, we go into the gap, and by the time market is closing, is getting nearer to the gap and so on and so forth, that bears are going to step up to the table and push quotation more and more in order to close the gap, because under the Western approach, gaps must be filled, which is not happening all the time, by the way, but anyways, must be filled. And in the case, there is a possibility that we have a double failure. What does it mean, the double failure? Well, first of all, the B wave fails to take the 80%, so fails to retrace more than 80%, so this is a B failure. But if the C wave fails to take the previous wave A, and then that, it is being considered a C failure as well. So B failure plus a C failure gives you a double failure for the pair. All in all, we still need to go something like 100 pips lower. So 100 pips lower, and even if the market bounces and so on, chances are that next week price will end up somewhere into this area here, and therefore the only thing to do is to buy put options at the opening on Monday with end of week expiration date. So buying, looking to buy put options with end of week expiration date. Thank you very much for being here. fairbinaryoptions.com. Put options for the US dollar Swiss franc.